Hello, everyone! Have you ever wondered why some people become financially secure while others struggle, even when they earn the same income? The answer often comes down to investing. Investing simply means putting your money into assets that have the potential to increase in value over time. Instead of letting your money sit idle, you put it to work for you. The goal is to build wealth and achieve your long-term financial goals. Many people think saving and investing are the same thing, but they're actually very different. Saving helps protect your money for short-term needs, while investing gives your money the opportunity to grow over the long run. Although investing involves some risk, it also offers the potential for greater returns. There are many ways to invest. You can invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, real estate, or even gold. Every investment comes with its own level of risk and potential reward, so it's important to choose investments that align with your financial goals. Before you invest, always do your research. Never put money into something you don't fully understand. Set clear financial goals, invest within your budget, and never borrow money just to invest. It's also important to keep an emergency fund so you're prepared for unexpected expenses. One of the smartest investing strategies is diversification. Instead of putting all your money into a single investment, spread it across different types of assets. This helps reduce risk because if one investment performs poorly, others may perform better. Another powerful concept is compound growth. When your investments earn returns, and those returns are reinvested, your money starts earning even more money. The earlier you begin investing, the more time compounding has to work in your favor. Successful investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It takes patience, discipline, and consistency. Markets will go up and down, but long-term investors stay focused on their goals instead of reacting emotionally to short-term market changes. Remember, every small investment you make today has the potential to build a stronger financial future tomorrow. Start early, invest consistently, keep learning, and stay committed to your financial goals. Thanks for listening. Hello everyone, please subscribe.